I may or may not have started a new hobby. So over the weekend, I was scrolling through social media as one does, and I had Perler beads content show up on my feed. I was like, oh, that's cool. And it's someone that makes Pokemon stuff, and I was like, oh my god, I have to make that. But also I realized that I don't have any pearl beads, I don't really have any experience, so I kept on watching videos and realizing, oh, that looks kind of easy. So I decided to try it, and here's what I've made so far. So I made this. This is Deadmau5. This is a logo of him, really. He's an EDM artist. I'm going to his concert for the 4th time in May, and I want to make a necklace out of it. So I made this for myself. One bead already came back. The ironing portion that you're supposed to do after to like fuse the beads together didn't do well. I haven't used an iron in a couple years, so it was a little hard. I'm not gonna lie. It was pretty hard to relearn how to use an iron. So I made a second one. This one was for my sister-in-law. She wanted a black and green after one of his albums. Well, both of them are from albums, but I wanted to make the red and white one because this one is going to match my crocheted outfit that I'm making. And this one she wanted because she likes this specific album cover. So my third one that I made in iron was my favorite Pokemon. It's gonna go this way. This is the Pokemon Sprite. It's Togekiss, my absolute favorite Pokemon. I wanted to make its Sprite. Some of you may not even know what this is, and that's okay. So, excuse me. So I have made 2 more creations, but I have yet to iron them on. Dang, it is really windy out. Oh my god. Yeah, it is really windy outside. Oh my goodness. I just like looked out the window and it's like so bad out there. So anyway, you can't really see it because I don't want it to fall. It's a Dragon Ball. There we go. It's a Dragon Ball, the 4-star Dragon Ball. The creator, Akira Toriyama, just passed away recently. Well, we just found out. It wasn't in a public eye for a couple days, so we just found out like 3 or 4 days ago. So I wanted to make a Dragon Ball in his honor. It's so windy out. It's so windy out. Oh my god, and it's really scary. This is so scary. Anyway, and I'm going out soon. But yeah, here's a Dragon Ball. I need to iron it. So my next creation that I made was this adorable frog. I find all of my patterns that I'm looking for on Pinterest. I have like other squares that I can make bigger, so I can make my pegboard bigger, but I wanted to start out small because I'm still inexperienced in this, and I'm still just learning how to iron. So yeah, I can show you the set that I got. It came with all these colors and all these colors, but I'm actually missing a few colors. I'm missing like a tan, like a beige color, because I realize a lot of Pokemon that I want to make have beige in them, and I don't have it. I only have like 2 sets of brown and black. So I'm missing quite a few colors. And I'm missing a really bright lavender purple. And I also bought extra black. I bought extra black because I just know everything I will be using is black. I also have extra red and white. It came in this is the 1,000 pack. And I have about 4 other pegboards. 4 unused pegboards so far in my bag. And also I have a lot of ironing paper. which can be reusable apparently. So, yeah. So that's what I made, and I need to go shopping. I have a Michael's gift card that I completely forgot I had, but I don't really shop at Michael's for yarn that often, only if I'm getting Red Heart or something. So Red Heart Super Saver yarn. Very rarely I use impeccable yarn anymore. So yeah, we're going to Michael's today. In the wind. It sounds like a freaking hurricane outside. It's actually crazy. And I'm going out in this. And then when we get back, I'm going to be ironing. Please don't fall. So that's exciting. Let's do this. I'm back from... I went to 3 stores, okay? It took me forever to find this. This is a Cricut Easy Press Mini. I really wanted to use this because I've been making a lot of smaller Perler bead makes, and I'm not ready to make big ones yet, so I think starting off with this would actually be really great. It was only like $50 at Walmart. Couldn't find it at Michael's, couldn't find it at Target, even though it said there was 4 left at that store that I went to, but Walmart had it. Okay, I also got some beads at Michael's. I also got a container for my extra beads as well, so we're gonna be putting some of my beads that I got and all of my extra ones in here. Okay, so I got a lot of neutral colors. So I got this color, which is called, what is it called? Rust. Cool. I think I got 2 of these on accident. I did. Oops. Yep, I got rust twice. Oh well. I also got this color. This is mocha. This one is tan. This one is toasted marshmallow. It's like an off-white. It's like a really light tan. And I also got light gray. Don't have that. And I also got dark gray. Yeah, dark gray. And that's it. Cool. Okay, so let's organize first before I get started on using that thing. Oh my goodness. Do I have to get my scissors? I have to get scissors. Scissors. Uh-oh, it doesn't fit. It doesn't fit everything. Great. I have this much left in the bag. Well, I guess I'll just be saving it for when I use it. That's disappointing that this is not deep enough. Oh well. All right, next color. This might take a while, so this might be sped up. I'm done. It's all organized, well, the new colors that I have, so. There we go. Okay, cool. All right, BRB while I set up this little heat press, so. Okay, so I just set this thing up. It's so cute. Look. It's so cute. It's ready to go, by the way. I have it on the low setting first, so I have, oh, I actually do smell it. Oh my goodness. Wow, it heats up so quick. Wow. Okay, so we're gonna try it and see how this goes with the frog. I'm gonna stand up for this, so. So far, oh, there it goes. Oh, there it goes. Okay, there it goes. There it goes. Oh my gosh. Okay, I might need to do a higher setting because it's just not sticking to the paper still. And my issue was the edges. Yeah, I don't know. This is just not sticking still. They say to do it on the lowest setting, but I don't know, guys. I'm gonna lift it up. All right. I'm gonna keep going and see what happens. Thankfully, it's just a frog. I can keep going. Oh, there it goes. Wait, hold on. I see it sticking. I know you guys can't really see it that well from this angle, but like it's sticking, but not well. I'm gonna start with the edges. Like really good. Yeah, there we go. Everything needs to stick. Everything needs to stick. I think I should move this up on maybe a medium setting. Yeah, we're gonna wait. It's just not sticking like I thought it would. It's ready. Wow, 2 minutes! Not even. There we go. Oh my God, here we go. Now we're cooking. Now we are finally cooking. This is what I'm talking about, everyone. Oh my God. I don't want to burn my beads. I'm just gonna like circle a little bit. Yeah, this is, at least I'm getting my edges. No, like this is actually working, getting all of my edges. Oh, I completely forgot. I have to get the flat, I have to get the flat surface to flatten this out. Ah! I completely forgot. Crap. I am not prepared. But I am loving this thing though. So far, this is so compactful. I can actually like, I can get the small edges that I had trouble with before. I just need to make sure it gets even. Yeah, okay. I have a feeling I'm not doing this correctly though. You know, as long as this is like flat and melted together, I don't really care how good it looks. I know it's not gonna be perfect. Okay, let me get my flat surface. Okay, so I use a rice box. You can use anything in your house, it doesn't matter, but I'm gonna take this off now. Let's see if we're good. We have a frog! Oh my god! Oh my god, look! Look at it! Okay. Next one. So the next one is the Dragon Ball 4-star one. Apparently some people actually iron the other side too, but I prefer not to. Like, I don't mind it looking like this, but look at it! It's a frog! Amazing. Okay, next one. Oh! Okay. Sorry for the noise. Okay, here we go. This should be an easy one because it's super small. This could be like a keychain. I should make a bunch of these for keychains. Anyway, let's do this. It literally almost covers the entire thing. Wow. Oh yeah, this is gonna be an easy one. So when you're putting the box on top of it to dry, or to like let it cool down, I meant, it should be about 5 to 10 minutes. Maybe even less than that. Give it a little rest. Yeah, no, this middle needs to, yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna keep doing the edges. Here we go. Oh wow, these are minting wonderfully. Wow, this is the best investment I ever made, honestly. Don't worry, like, I'm still gonna be a crocheter no matter what. It's just, I wanted to try this so bad. All right, we can turn this off. And, ooh. There we go. And now we're gonna let this dry for a few minutes. All right, the moment of truth. Okay, it's stuck to the paper, but that's fine. It's still a little warm. I'm gonna just carefully rip it. All right. Here we go. Here's the other side. Here's the iron side. It's supposed to be flat, like the top part here, but like, I don't know. I kind of like this side better, but it's everyone's preferences, honestly, so it really depends. So, anyway, do any of you do this craft? Let me know down below. If you like this video, I will definitely make more, without a doubt. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye!